Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and this is going to be a short tutorial on how you can earn 40 free listings for your Etsy shop. So basically, a lot of people lately have been asking me about a promotion code and how this will work and how can I get 40 free listings. And I wanted to go ahead and create a short video explaining the process and how it works and who qualifies and who doesn't. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you are a new or thinking of becoming an Etsy seller, you don't have an Etsy shop right now, so you're about to start an Etsy shop, then you could take this code right here. I'm going to put it on the bottom on the text description below. And you take this code right here and you sign up using that code. Now, when you sign up using that code, you get 40 free listings. So that means the first 40 products that you upload, you don't pay anything for them. And therefore, as a bonus of me referring you as a friend, I also receive 40 free listings. Now, the downside is if you currently have an Etsy shop or you already open an Etsy shop and never use the link, unfortunately, you don't qualify for it. The only way that they'll give you the 40 free listings is when you open the Etsy shop using that code. So I did want to share that with you guys. If you have additional stores that you want to open on a different niche, then you could definitely use the code to get the first 40 for free. I will take advantage of it. So I will leave the link below. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot of Etsy tutorials on helping Etsy sellers build a thriving business. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment below and give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.